Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, let's start the chapter 4 Mathematical Induction. Question is this, it has been asked in CBSE 2016. Question is 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus dash 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 2n minus 1 whole square equal to n 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 upon 3. You have to prove this. You have to prove by mathematical induction. Then what is the procedure for mathematical induction? First of all, we shall prove it for n equal to 1. Then we shall prove it by n equal to k at random at n equal to k, and the next n equal to k plus 1. Then first of all I will prove for n equal to 1. This statement can be written in the form of Pn. Pn is the statement, mathematical statement. Pn says that 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus dash 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 2n minus 1 whole square equal to n 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 upon 3. For n equal to 1, then P1 such that for n equal to 1 we will prove for first term. First term means 1 square. 1 square equal to 1, and for putting in the right hand side n equal to 1, 1 into 2 into 1 minus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 3, 1 into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3. 3 is cancelled to 1. Then right hand limit, and then right hand side and left hand side both are equal. Then P1 is true for n equal to 1. Now we shall prove for n equal to k. N equal to k. Pk such that 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square dash 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 2k minus 1 whole square equal to k 2k minus 1 2k plus 1 upon 3. This is the value of Pk. Then we will write Pk is true for n equal to k. Now we will prove for the next. Next means after k. After k means k plus 1. N equal to k plus 1. Then we can write it as Pk plus 1 equal to 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square dash 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 2k minus 1 whole square. The next term, the next here from 1 to this term is this, and the next term will be k plus 1 means we can write it as 2. In place of k we will write k plus 1 minus 1 whole square. This is the extra term. Here from here to here this is the kth term, and from this is extra term k plus 1 term. From kth term the sum is this. The sum is this. From kth term is sum is this. Then the next k plus 1 term, this will be added. I am going to rub it because there is no need. This is the sum of kth term. K 2k minus 1 2k plus 1 upon 3 plus extra term is this. This will be added in the right hand side also. If it is added in the left hand side, then this will be added in the right hand side. Then we can write it as 2k plus 2 2k plus 2 minus 1 2k plus 1 whole square. This whole square. Now I'm rubbing it because there is no need. Now I will solve only this. K 2k minus 1 2k plus 1 plus 3 is multiplied here 2k plus 1 whole square upon 3. 2k plus 1 is common. Then k and 2k minus 1 plus 3 times 2k plus 1 upon 3. Okay? Now we can write it as 2k plus 1 2k square after breaking 2k square minus k plus 6k plus 3 upon 3. 2k plus 1, this will be 2k square plus 6k minus k means 5k plus 5k plus 3 upon 3. 2k plus 1. After factorizing this, we can write it as 2k square plus 2k plus 3k plus 3 upon 3. I am rubbing it from here. 2k plus 1. Here 2k and 2k is common. 2k is common. Then k plus 1 and plus 3 is common. K plus 1 upon 3. I am rubbing it because there is no need to leave it. I am rubbing it. 2k plus 1 k plus 1 and 2k plus 3 upon 3. Here k plus 1 upon 3. 2k plus 1 can be written as 2 times k plus 1 minus 1. 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2 minus 1, this will be 2k plus 1. And this 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2 plus 3 means 1. 2k plus 2 and plus 1 plus 3 will be upon 3. if we replace k plus 1, then we can say that n to n minus 1 to n plus 1 upon p. Meaning that for n equal to k plus 1, p k plus 1 is true. Therefore, we can say that the given statement is true.